Okay, everybody, this is Shannon Bingford with the Fellowship Music and Arts Academy. I'm going to show you all how to access our new Opus One billing and scheduling platform. We're pretty excited about this. You're going to go to our website, fellowshipmusicartsacademy.org. Links in the email. Click our login button, and it's going to take you to the new Opus One login right here, so you can get into the new platform. Now you will have to add in your email here. Now this is the email that you had on file with us previously for any lessons you had in on teacherzone.com, which will be shutting down here this month. And then you won't have a password yet, so don't type anything in the password. And then so just put your email in, and it's going to recognize that you have that email with us, and click this get a login link, and it should check your email. A temporary access link will be sent to you. This is step one. Now, if it doesn't do this, it means you either typed your email wrong, or you put in an email that our system isn't recognizing as the email for your parent or guardian account. So head over to your email, look for the link here, your temporary access to Fellowship Music and Arts Academy, right there. And then it will automatically log you in, even without a password created yet. Valid for 48 days. Click on My Account. It's going to take you right into the new Opus One billing and scheduling platform. It's going to, there you go, it just took it and automatically logs you in. That's just awesome. And it's going to show you immediately your parent account. The parent of this student is Frodo Baggins. Clearly this is not a real parent, but there, I created this just for the demo. And then it's showing Frodo Baggins' dependents, their students, Mary Baggins here. Next step after you get in is to set a password. Go to change password, this little lock link here. And then it says password must contain 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 number. So we're going to make a password here. Make sure they match. And then click reset password. Look for this little success right there. And then it annoyingly doesn't close. So close it. Great. Done. And if you wanted to save it, of course. Okay, so now that's how you'll log in. So you'll go, when you go back in, you click this login button, it'll either automatically log you in each time, or you can log in with the password and email, of course. Next up, find the little credit card payment here, update payment methods, or add a payment method. There we go. We take debit cards and credit cards. Our preference to help keep the costs down is a debit card. So we do ACH because it doesn't charge us the credit card processing fees. We don't charge anything more if you use a credit card, but it helps us out. So if you're comfortable with it, please use debit card. Otherwise, you can put any type of credit card in here and it will be fine. So you type your credit card in, expiration, so on and so forth. Click add payment method. Obviously, that's not my credit card number. So, and then you'll be all set. Now that payment source will be used to pay invoices. So if you scroll down, you will see, actually the next thing you want to do, I'll explain this a little bit, is to go to the subscription area and make sure that your subscription looks correct for the lessons you have. Your first payment is going to be due on the first day of your lesson. So this student is enrolled in lessons that start on September 15th. It automatically prorates the amount due. You can see his subscription is I guess this is Mary Baggins, $135 a month. But the first month it'll only be $116 because it's prorating automatically. You will have to click pay on that, and the card, let me zoom back out here, the card you have will automatically show up there, your debit or credit card, and you can pay that invoice like that. And then every month thereafter, if you're set up for monthly payments, it'll just automatically charge on the first of each month until you choose to stop. So if this all looks good, the last thing is you're going to keep seeing this terms and conditions flag coming in. It's orange. You can click on that, or right here you can click review terms and conditions. It's in the subscriptions area. It'll take you to a summary of our terms and conditions. Not much has changed, although we do have a new platform, and the way we communicate is a little different. We would like you to email us or communicate through this Opus One platform, because that's how messages will get routed correctly to even teachers and our admin staff, which is basically me and my wife right now until we hire someone. So you will read through these and see if there's any questions. We do have a new practice app coming out here practicespacedApp.com. Some of you guys are already on that. If you aren't, we're going to send an email out showing you how to access that for free, so your students can take part in our gamification system, time practices, be eligible for rewards and things like that. Click agree. Here's our fee and tuition structure. I think the only thing we did is now, because we're doing custom curriculum, we charge a registration fee for any new service to help, because we do binders and printouts and things like that. Let's scroll down through that. Makeup lesson policy. Pretty much the same. The only thing different is if teachers are traveling to you, they won't make an extra trip to make up a lesson, but they will offer online lessons or lessons in their home. Click agree. I already agreed to these, and then our video and liability release agreements here. Okay, and then actually, if you want to read all of them, here's our full policies and procedures, right there. A link to that. All right. So yeah, everybody has to agree to that. How does a makeup policy work? Well, you get 2 makeups per term, and this new system allows you to completely manage it on your own without having to message me or message your instructor or anything like that, because our availability and schedules are all just built into this software, which is really awesome for both you and us. So let's say you need to cancel a lesson. As long as you do that within 24 hours, you will get a makeup credit. So you would come over here and click cancel if it's a known conflict. And then when you cancel, it'll give you, if it's eligible, as long as it's not a last minute cancel, you'll get these makeup credits over here. You can click on them and rebook them yourself into the software. Or once you know what the date and time is you want to book them at, I can rebook them for you if you can't figure it out, or even our teachers can't. So everything kind of goes through this platform now. So if you text us, we'll just remind you, hey, you can log in and you can click cancel. And we're all going to try to learn to use this together, but I think it'll be pretty smooth for everybody. So you get 2 makeups per turn, 2 reschedules or 2 makeups per turn, and we'll be as flexible as we can, of course.